Good morning, this is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. Reflecting on last week's close, Friday saw a slight decline among all US indices. The US 500 shed 6 points to close on 2,092.78. The US Tech 100 dropped 13 points to close on 4,684.38. And the Wall Street fell 49 points to close on 17,826. Friday sees non-farm payrolls released, and data suggests that it will have increased by 200,000 in November, which will keep the jobless rate at a 7-year low of 5%. Even if figures disappoint, the Federal Reserve is still expected to hike rates at its meeting on the 16th of December. However, final clues will be given on Thursday when Janet Yellen gives her testimony to the Joint Economic Committee of the Senate on the economic outlook. Retailers are set to report on the revenue brought in from Black Friday, expected to be well over $1 billion, which should boost performances. Looking into commodities, gold dropped $15 on Friday to its lowest level in more than 5 years, closing on $1,057.9. The precious metal is heading towards $1,000 a troy ounce as funds liquidated positions on heightened expectations that the US Federal Reserve will raise interest rates next month. The metal enjoyed a decade-long bull run between 2001 and 2011 and has now fallen 45% since hitting an all-time peak of $1,793 an ounce 4 years ago. Brent crude also dropped on Friday, losing a little over 80 cents to close on $45.46 a barrel. Over in Europe, the Germany 30 lost 20 points to close on 11,297.9. The UK 100 dropped 14 points to close on 6,372.7. This week, much attention will be going to Mario Draghi's speech on Thursday, revealing more details on planned quantitative easing. Draghi has previously said that he and his policymakers would do what we must in efforts to boost inflation to the target of less than 2%. Tomorrow, the Bank of England will publish its results from its latest round of stress tests along with the financial stability report. Earnings season is coming to a close now, with equity news relatively light. However, Aberdeen Asset Management is reporting its full year's figures today, along with Green King and Brewin Dolphin later this week. In today's corporate news, in its latest trading update, IG Group said it had performed well in quieter markets over the last 3 months and predicted an increase in revenue during the second quarter. Aberdeen Asset Management revealed a 5% increase in net revenue in its full year results, with profit before tax also up. Commercial vehicle hire company Northgate has appointed Claire Miles as non-executive director. Miles, previously managing director of home care at British Gas, will take on the role immediately. In today's economic data in focus, in the UK at 9:30 a.m. we see consumer credit released along with mortgage approvals, and at 3 o'clock in the US, pending home sales will be released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.